Let's start. We do realize the enormous difficulties in the way we also realize that a lot of technical personnel is required. But if we are in a position to mobilize all these various things, we can achieve the target. The whole thing depends upon how government is able to secure the services of these various bodies, requisition the services of the technical personnel, including those available in the defense installations. If it is done, I think we will be able to catch up with the rest of the modern world. History shows that in other countries, also in most of the other countries, this system was introduced in times of turmoil, but all the people were galvanized to this modern concept. And if we have that will, I think it will be possible to have this thing implemented within the shortest possible time. Para, as my friend pointed out, being a layman, I am not in a position to say anything about the definition, especially in regard to light, electricity, and other things. These are all technical things, but I think on the whole, the bill reflects the unanimous demands of the people of the country. People have been demanding that they must have relief from the chaotic systems prevailing now. In the name of a Mound and ODD, separate measures are there in vogue. In different parts of the country, they cannot get anything fair on the basis of the present differing weights and measures. Since 1949, when Parliament has been applying its mind to this problem, there has been so much consensus of opinion in favor of this thing that it is up to us now to quickly implement this scheme. Personally, I agree with the suggestion that the period must not be 10 years but only 5 years. Para. The remarks made here regarding the need for implementing the provisions of the bill are also the desire of the government, but I might tell you briefly, sir, that apart from the difficulties which Mr. Nair envisaged, there are others which are also equally important. To give an example, I am told that to manufacture a primary standard of measurement, we will require a machinery which will take about 2 years to set up. This is the legal sanction by which you are going to prosecute the defaulters. Parliament is empowering government to prosecute all and sundry for the use of non-standard weights and measuring, and the parliament has to be satisfied that the standards are the most accurate scientifically. On a rough estimate, there are 6 million sets of weights and measures in India. Stop. Thank you.